Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:02, June 11, 2020. Red day across the board. But if you notice my watch list here, I have some green stocks showing that there's a bull market in every red market. So when you have the Dow down 1861, the NASDAQ down 527, and the SPX down 188, which equates to about the SPY being down almost 18 points. You wonder, how do you find good trades? Are you shorting the market? No. I used to short the market, and it never, I did well shorting the market, but then it just comes back and it just bites you in the butt. If you're on the wrong side of a short squeeze, you want to be on the long side. You don't want to be selling or buying back in the long side of a short squeeze. Today obviously would have done well, but this is one day in the last 3 months we've seen, or 2 months since the fall off. I'd rather see a capitulation kind of day like this after so many moves up. So going back to the SPY daily, you can see we came down here in late March and have risen ever since. And we just took out about 10 days of trading. I know this chart's a little small, but these are daily candles. And we rose up pretty good, really good, and then we died off yesterday and today down to the 200 simple moving average. This has to hold. 300 needs to hold. If we gap down tomorrow below 300, we could test the 290 area down here. Big stocks today. The virus news and all that. Boeing. I was watching Boeing late afternoon because you could see the volume really accelerated here. So we're talking 179. It got down to like 166 or 166 is the low. So it's a really, if you were in this, you did really well. And I think a lot of short sellers did. And the bounce backs were very small because I think a lot of the buyers were selling too. It wasn't just short sellers. So if you're in Boeing and stuff like that, you got to watch yourself because these stocks are beaten down, and they're down for a reason because no one's flying, or people are, but not as much as they were. And I think I heard Lululemon is reporting. So let's turn on after hours. It's one of the stocks I've traded in the past. Oh, looks like it's reporting right now. Look at this. Might get the price action right now. This could be a false move. Let's go to a 2-minute time. I am not going to trade it. I am not going to trade it. This was a hot stock today, CLDX. So as Lulu is kind of reporting here, let's see what it does. I'm just going to go over one stock today I really, really liked. It wasn't my call. It was a call in the room. This is NKLA. And I was actually on 2-minute candles, I believe. Yeah. And there was a break of the 63 level. Which happened here, and I took it here. I never saw it go against me. It went all the way up to 68. My best sell was like 67.51, I believe, on a 63. I only had 100 shares. I was a little concerned because the market obviously was really far down, but NKLA was not. It ended up being down on the day, but when it hit 63, it was actually up on the day. Turned out to be really pain-free trade, just easy, just continue to climb, easy climb. But I only took 100 shares. I almost took like 400 shares. I was really close to pulling the trigger, and that would have been probably my biggest trade ever. Or not ever, but since I started trading again. And, I have to grow a little bigger pair, get a little bit stronger. I took another trade on the CLDX pullback here. I think it occurred. Where did it happen? I'm trying to figure out. Oh, it happened here. I took this at the 7. No, I took it way back there because I'm on 2-minute candles. Oh my God. Look at this move I missed. Yeah, right here. 725. I caught the low. Oh, 718. It went down to 725. Look at that. It went all the way up to 10 on this pullback here. I have the trade in my trade manager. I see it, and it's, getting out too soon. Destroyed my life. I'm hoping within the month I will get that out of my way. Excuse that phone ring. Okay, so the CLDX, Just watching this one called a 10 out of 10 break here in the after hours. Look at this thing go. Wow. Man, I'm missing this. It's tough. You just, I think if I had a lot of gains behind me, I do have gains. If I had a lot of gains behind me, I have conviction. I have the process building, but I'm just not ready to just jump on a trade like this and risk money. That's just not my game right now. Obviously, if I ever trade this after hours, I probably would have taken 100 shares today. And I know guys are taking thousands of shares on this in after hours. If they take 1,000 shares, they're up 30 cents, which is, $300. People are making a lot of money right now. I'm making a little money, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling good. It's okay. I'm feeling the trades. It's not so much about the money right now. I need to be feeling the good trading, and that's what I'm going after. So today ended in the green. We're such a negative day. Negative 1861, negative 527, negative 188. My totals were 248. I was up $248 today. I think that's my highest. I might have gotten to 252. I think I took a stupid trade that kind of got in and got out real quick. But overall, I'm pretty happy and content with that particular trade. Let's see what Lulu's doing. Still 2-minute drop off. So the news came out. Let's see if this can bend. Keep an eye on it, and we'll figure out what it does. Lulu got up to what was its high? 324, I believe. Yeah, 324 was its all-time high. It's now at 285, so it's come off pretty good. I think the markets will probably, if it gaps down tomorrow, we could see a huge rally as well. So here we go. I'm going to pause for a second. I'll try to get this on video. If this candle holds at the 288, we'll call it the 283 level, a break of the 283 level, 289 level, well, it's doing it without me. It's up to 290 already. So whatever the high of this candle is, 291, that's perfect. Let's see how I'll come right back. I'll pause it so the video is not super long. All right, it's this particular candle. It's going to chase this candle. I thought this candle would be our inside candle, but it looks like this one's our inside candle. So if we break the 294.75 level, we could see this thing go back up to 300, but I'm not too sure. If this candle holds, then we're looking at the 294 level. That's the high of this candle. So a 294 break would be the entry for the way I would look at it. But I'm just going to leave it for right now. That sums up the trading day. It was a good one. It was a darkish kind of day, but the stocks were up, and there are some. You got to find the bull market, and good luck with your trading. Let me know if you have any questions, subscribe, and all that good stuff. All right, have a good one. Talk to you soon.